Hello YouTube, I am back with another Sketch With Me video. It's been a while since I've done these type of videos, and what better way to, study or, freely draw than having these types of videos be an excuse for me to do them. So this time around, I actually didn't use too much reference, if at all. This is mainly me just sketching whatever that has, come to mind while just jotting it down on the paper. So I guess in that sense, you could sort of say that this is what my style looks like, just raw, without any sort of, photo reference to go by. Recently, I had a live stream with Chris Mason, and through that, I sort of came to an idea of a topic that I want to talk about, which is video ideas, artists, or any artist that could make that you guys can make on YouTube, because I feel like currently tutorials, at least tutorials by themselves right now, are a bit insufficient to pop off if you're an artist on YouTube. And to be fair, I've been seeing a lot of people making videos in terms of making their webcomic on webtoons, and since I don't have a webtoon, I really can't say for the process or how to make video content based on making webtoons, but I've been seeing that a lot recently. But in terms of just straight up drawing or art related things, I've realized that, again, tutorials, while the easiest thing to do, well, not the easiest, the easiest thing is a speed painting or a time-lapse video. That's the easiest thing. And unless you're someone like Saki Michan or Krishna Vilyav or Wallup, that by itself cannot lift you from, put you on the spotlight, so to speak. So, I wanted to, think of possible video ideas that an artist can make if they want to, make content, or at least video-based content on YouTube. Because personally, right now, in terms of social media, I honestly think YouTube might be one of the best places to get an audience, because Instagram, for artists at least, fell off the face of the earth. I don't really do DeviantArt anymore. DeviantArt it sort of fell to depravity for me. Twitter, Twitter is another good alternative, although it is sort of a cesspool, because I don't know why, but people are more aggravated on Twitter, and I don't know why. It's so easy to get provoked, and it's so easy for people to want to provoke people, and I can't explain why. So Twitter, you can always do Twitter, because I see a lot of good character designers or concept artists or people in the industry on Twitter and uploading frequently on Twitter. So, and they face problems or annoying commentators. So Twitter, you go ahead if you want. You could pick your poison. There's also ArtStation. One day, ArtStation, I feel like it's above my weight class. I feel like everyone there is a god at art, strangely enough. So maybe one day, if I sharpen up my technical skills and my rendering, I could find myself being there. But currently, not now. And I know social media, or at least ArtStation, shouldn't be a gatekept social media platform. You should just be able to upload whenever you want, however you want, and wherever. So yeah, it just feels like I'll be buried under the massive pile of great artwork. So until I get a good grip on rendering and all that, I'll see if I could get there. That leaves there's Tumblr, but does anyone really use Tumblr now? And I guess there's then YouTube, and YouTube has actually built more of an audience than I would say, because I had a Tumblr, I have an Instagram, I had a DeviantArt, but YouTube is what is literally getting me my audience. Strangely enough, it's hard to do make a video idea on YouTube, and for people to especially in regards to your niche. Like me, of course, I'm an artist, so I had to think, what is a video idea that I could do that's not a tutorial, not a speed paint, that people like, hence why the artist analysis video. That, and I sort of like the process, the video format of video game reviews and movie reviews, but I'm not really a good judge or critic on terms of like things like that, but I am good with art, so I thought I'd make the game review or movie review equivalent for artists, hence why the artist analysis. So that's sort of like my equivalent, so to speak. So yeah, that leaves what else is there to do? I mean, what can we do for an artist to make more videos related to art that could get them like sort of like make them blow up? And I'm not a big fan of I'm not gonna say that, because I know there's some artists that talk about the drama regarding art, and the thing is about things like that, those will always almost do well, because who doesn't like drama? I'm all for it, honestly. I just can't be in it because I don't have the motivation or the time of day to, you know, talk about or deal with drama. People could shit talk on my YouTube channel all day long, and I still wouldn't feel the need to like make a video or response video. That's just how, I guess, lazy I am, or unbothered, because I haven't received hate, so to speak, but one day when I get big, I could imagine myself being bombarded with lots of criticism, and even then, I honestly don't think I would care. And I guess that's a thing an artist must have, I guess, like thick skin. And I don't know about you guys, but going through art school, like 8 years of it technically, I've developed all the thick skin I need. I don't really care about random critique, especially unsolicited critique that no one asks for. People could write all they want in the comments. I may respond, but I don't always respond. I'm starting to feel the need to not respond to everything I see in my comment section, because it's just going to get crazy. I can't respond to everyone, so yeah. I guess. Oh, by the way, if you didn't already know, I don't have the answer to this question. I'm sort of asking you guys what video content would be wanted. Although, I don't know. Like, I look at right now. Another thing I'm seeing that's really big is critiquing TikTok art advice. And if you guys already know me, I hate TikTok. There's nothing that TikTok could do to make it worthy of my phone's bandwidth. I will never get TikTok. I feel like it's too, I don't know. How do I describe TikTok? It's a massive time and productivity sponge for me. And I feel like even if I do somehow blow up on TikTok, I feel like the quality of the audience I get on TikTok might not translate well, because I see plenty of people blowing up easily on TikTok, but I feel like the weight of numbers there, it doesn't match the weight on YouTube. And maybe that's not true. Maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about, to be fair, because I did hear people that have a huge following on TikTok and their followers just follow them back on YouTube. So I don't know. Even then, I still won't get TikTok. It may be a quicker way to do it if I did get a TikTok, but I don't know. I'd rather take the slow and steady way out with YouTube than they're getting a TikTok. I don't know, something about that app. It's just, I don't know. I don't know if it's a generation. It's not a generation thing, because I see people now getting it. That's my age. I don't know. I could definitely live without it. So with then, like, people on TikTok also post like tip videos. I feel like everyone has their own advice on art, and everyone's doing it. So, and unless you're a good artist, what reason would one person have to listen to you as opposed to another artist that's well known, famous, and or probably already is in the industry? So, hell, like what reason do you guys have to even listen to me? I mean, I do have a bachelor's in fine art, so I mean, does that make me legitimate for you to listen to me if I make tutorial videos? I mean, what reason do you have to listen to me as opposed to someone like Proco? Anyway, as you know, I don't have an answer to this. I'm just curious, like, what videos should an artist make to, you know, pop off or be, you know, in like the well-known YouTube sphere? I don't know. Anyway, that's my topic for today. I've been rambling. I know, lots of stuttering and ums and likes, but yeah, there it is. Just, yeah, thank you for watching this video of me rambling about random jargon. Please like and subscribe if you want. Comment if you want. I did hear liking helps with the YouTube algorithm, so please do that if you don't want to subscribe, because I totally don't blame you if you don't want to subscribe. At least like it so more people will see my random art. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.